Hey y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One and my old barn door, and today we are working on ephemera for our trifold journal. So we've got the signatures in, we've got all of the elements, as far as the pockets go, and belly band, and we've got our folders in. So now it's time to decorate, and I thought we would maybe do one or two fun videos of just decorating our embellishments. So today I thought it would be fun to challenge myself to only use 3 main items to decorate my ephemera with. So I have chosen book pages, of course, because we all have those laying around somewhere. And y'all remember this one from a few videos back where actually this was actually one of the books, the Reader's Digest books that I got the cover from, and I loved the patina on it. So we're going to use book page. We're going to use our scraps. So this is my whole plate of little scraps that I have created just from making this journal. So we're going to use our scraps. And then the last element, where did I put them? Stickers. And the reason I chose this is because I don't use stickers much. I love them, I buy them, and then they sit in a box. So I'm challenging myself today to use some stickers. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to play and have fun. So the first thing we need is we need a tag for this little envelope flip here on the front cover. And we need a tag for this. And I've already put the tag in there, but we're going to decorate it. So let's just start on those. So for the tag for the front envelope, I have this little tag here. And I'm going to see if I can zoom you in a little closer just so you can see well. There we go. Hopefully that will help. Okay, so I thought what we could do, this is one of my labels from, I believe it's the Farm Label Kit in my shop. These are the solid labels, and I thought this color kind of went well with this tag. And then I had these little Merry Christmas pieces from, I don't know, last year. I got them off of, I'm trying to think. It was an Etsy shop that I got them from. If I can't think of it right now, but I'll try to remember to link it in the description box below. And then I have one of my scraps. This was just one of the scrap pieces from making the journal. So I've added the label on, and I wanted to kind of add a little bit of the book page. And I don't want it to overwhelm the label. Ooh, and maybe I'll go this way with it. Okay. And then I want to put the Merry Christmas on. Like so. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little glue on the back of my book page. I'll wrap that around, and that way it gives a little bit of an element on the back side too. And then I'm going to add some glue to the back of my label. And I'm thinking I kind of want it to go kind of catty corner, catty-wise, catty-wonkus, whatever you want to call it. And then I thought we could find a cute little sticker or something to add. And I think I just need a small sticker. So I'm gonna pull my stickers out of the plastic so that it doesn't crinkle on you all the time. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in this plate, and that way I can get to them easier. But I found this cute little sticker that I thought would go well on the tag. So I think I'm gonna, it's a 3D sticker. So I think I want to take off the pop-up. I don't want it to be I want it to be a lower profile. So we're going to take this off. If I can get it off my finger, and then I'm just going to take a little bit of glue and add to it. Okay, well that was not a little bit of glue, that was a lot of glue, but it's okay. Okay, and I think I'm just going to add it right here, so we kind of have 3 little elements together. Give that a second to dry, and it just adds a little something to the like the corner of that. It just gives it a little bit more of a 3D effect. And then because it's going to go into, let me move some stuff. Okay, much better. Because it's going to go into this front pocket and the top is going to be up here kind of smushed in, I didn't want to put like a big something at the top of the tag. So I picked one of these scraps, and I thought it would be cute just to layer it right here. So let's just do that real quick. Where is my, I just put my glue stick up. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on here. And then we're going to lay this at the top. Like so. And then we're just going to fold it over. Like that. And then I'm just going to tear off the excess and put it back in my scrap bowl. Okay, and then I have this vintage ribbon that my sweet friend Debbie sent to me, and I thought it would be cute to layer it on top of this. And I maybe could do like a little bit above. I don't know. Let me just check it and see. Yeah, I can. Okay. So, yeah, let's just do it like that. So I love this type of ribbon because you can actually use glue stick on it and it sticks really well. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to leave a little bit of the bottom showing, the bottom of the ledger paper showing. And then I'm going to just fold it like so. And let that ribbon come all the way down, just like that. And I think I'm going to round the edges of the bottom of my tag, because when you do that, a lot of times it helps it to slide into your pocket a little easier. Okay, so we're going to slide that one into our envelope like that. Super cute. And then we're going to pull this tag out and we're going to decorate it. So on this one, I just want to do something really simple. So I thought we could do a piece of book page. And then I have this scrap that I had left over from making the journal. And then I thought it would be cute to add the cute little packaging sticker. So let's just do this real quick. And I'm just kind of centering it at the top just to give it like a main focal point. And then I tore around this piece a little, and I'm just going to kind of put it kind of like this, just kind of like making a little cluster on the tag. So we're going to put that piece there, and then we're going to take our sticker. And it's popped up a little, but I think it'll be okay. And I'm thinking I'd like to put it maybe like right there. Like so. And then I have this little scrap that I used from the journal. And I thought maybe we could make it, because it's got the cute little Christmas tree leaves on it. So I thought we could make it the little topper, since we kind of still need a flat, sort of low profile topper on there. So we'll go this way with it, like that. And then I'm going to turn it over think I'm going to tear quite a bit off the top just to not make it so long. And then I'm just going to add a little more glue to that because I stuck my fingers in it. And then we'll just fold that over like so. And you can even put like a little cute little embellishment there if you want to. But now we have a second very quick and easy sweet little tag. So let's slide it into our journal. And it will go. Do y'all hear Remington snoring? Oh my goodness, she snores like a man. Listen. Hold on. I have to sleep with that every night. Okay, so for the next element that we need something for these pockets. Okay, so I don't know that I want a tag in there. These tags are, well, look, it's the same. So we definitely wouldn't use that. I have all of the tags from the kit that are cut out. So, and you don't have to do anything on these tags. You can literally just put the tags in the pockets and be done with them. And we're going to do something with this one too. You know, so it's completely and totally up to you. But I'm thinking I would just like to maybe slide a tag in here like that. And then we can just put something at the top. And I'm not going to make this a real long video just simply because I'm trying to do, you know, a little bit shorter of videos for the people who, you know, it's the holidays, everybody's running and you don't have time to watch a 30-minute long video. So we're going to do some shorter ones. So I thought it would be fun to just add a little piece of our book page here. We'll let the little girl's face poke out. And then I generally kind of like to do 3 elements. So I have, kind of can't see the horse's head, but that's okay. So I'm just going to tear a piece of this like so. And I thought we could put that kind of in there. And then I have one of the smaller tags from the kit that I thought would be fun to add it in, but I don't think we're going to need this. I think we're just going to need 2 elements for this one. So maybe if we do this, I think that kind of clashes. I just think it's too busy. However, I think it would be fun to pull in maybe one of our mason jars. Let's see. Let's do the one with the horse. And I think it will show up better on the busyness of the tag. So we can add this right here. I still feel like it needs something behind it. Let's put a little cheesecloth. Okay, so I have a little bit of cheesecloth here. And I think that will be just a little bit of texture. That will kind of bring that up off the page a little. I think I want to trim that down some. Like that. Yep, let's go ahead and glue this down because I'll start getting crazy with it. And I'm just going to fold that into the back. And then I'm going to lay my cheese down. I'm going to lay my cheese down. I'm going to lay my cheesecloth down. And then kind of get it placed where it needs to go. And then I'm going to put some Fabri-Tac on the back of this because it will just kind of seep down through the cheesecloth and seal it in. Okay. I'm just going to lay it right down into the cheesecloth. And then if we have any spaces that pull up, whoops, my Fabri-Tac is seeping out. Oh my, it's going to be one of those days. We're not going to let it be one of those days. And then maybe we'll add in this little sticker here. And I don't mind if it has the pop-up on it. And I'm just going to put it right down here on the bottom edge, just to give us those 3 elements. Okay, then I'm just going to take my little crocodile. I'm going to punch the hole. And I'm going to take a little piece of twine that I had left over from our binding. And that can be what's in the topper. Okay, and I'm just going to tie a little knot in the top of this one. Like that. And there, quick and easy, you have a cute little tag to go into the pocket. So we'll just slide him. Probably should have taken that sticker off the pop dot, but it's okay. I'm just going to slide it right down into the pocket. This feels like one of those days where nothing's going to go right. Just judging by what's happening right now. But you know what? On days like that, you don't just give up and throw your hands up. You just keep going, and you just be bound and determined that you're not going to let it stop you. Like I'm trying to do right now. Just keeping it real. Keeping it real. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now we have 3 tags that we made in, what, 10 minutes or so. So I just thought I would give you some ideas for some quick and easy tags to make. I think we will come back and finish embellishing it in another video so that we can just have some short videos and some long videos so that I'm trying to make everybody happy. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me if you will. And I hope y'all have a great day. Big hugs.